Take a ride in the 2021 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.